welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today, it's finally the time, guys. We're doing Whitley Auto Works' massive spray gun giveaway. The biggest spray gun giveaway that's ever been done on YouTube all at one time. As you can see behind me, I've got a variety of different products I'm going to be giving away. Most of these spray guns are my own personal spray guns that I've gotten. I've tested for you guys on the channel, so you've seen in the videos how they work, and now I'm giving them back to you. So let me run down the vigorous list of stuff we're giving away real quick. And I'll probably throw in some more stuff too. I really don't know, but these are pretty much the big prizes, guys. I'm gonna walk you through it real quick, show you what I got, what I'm giving away, and then we'll get into how you can possibly enter and win. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so depending on how long you've been with me on the channel, you might have seen some of these guns reviewed, and some of these you might not even recognize. So I'm going to start off over here. This is the WHITLEY gun. This is the MP500. This is a standard low volume, low pressure gun. I've got two of these brand new I'll be giving away. Very cool products, very cool guns. These are paint lights, guys, that go on guns. These were donated by Cisco, so shout out to him, as well as the WHITLEY guns. He bought both of those and said do a giveaway with it, so now they're being given away to you. You probably recognize this product right here. This is a Drizzle D1, guys. This is the full kit. This comes with all three different tips. It comes with everything you need to get started. This will be one of the top prizes that I'll be doing in the giveaway, and all these prizes will be given away at random on the day that I do everything. All right, these are two different Temu guns I got. One is a Topazol. It's a very cool 1.3 tip gun, and the other one is a Sanpu gun. It's a very cool golden gun. Two I did reviews with that were Temu, so I'm giving those away. This one, I'm sure you've seen it. This is a Viral High Chica gun, guys. I used it one time, and now I'm giving it on to you. This is a gun I have in my Amazon store, guys. This is a great starter kit. It comes with two guns. It comes with a regular 1.4 tip gun. I've used it many times on the channel to showcase to you guys, and a 1.0 tip gun. So it's a full kit. It comes in a hard case with everything you need to get started and an awesome setup. This right here was another Temu gun I had. It's the Davidus gun, guys. Not a DeVilbus, it's a Davidus gun. It's a kind of a play on it. It's got a really cool design on it. It's got a graphic with like a tattooed woman and everything. Very, very good spraying gun. Very cool gun. And I'm excited for one of you guys to win that. Also, we got this Pinto. I've used this many a times. This comes with the different tips and everything you need to get started, much like the Intercraft D1 Drizzle over there. It comes with various different tips for various different applications. A really cool LVLP gun. A very nice entry-level model. It's about the same price point as that right there. So, very cool. And then this right here. This is the Tiswall Pinto GT HVLP Plus. This is close to a $500 paint gun that comes with all the different tip sizes and everything else. This is pretty much going to be, for a lack of better terms, my grand prize to give away. So these products range in various different price points from $40 all the way up to $500, guys. So some awesome prizes. I'll probably be giving away some pearls and stuff too. But for right now, this is pretty much what you guys are putting in your bids for. So, all right. Well, let's get into a little bit more information on the giveaway. So as you guys can see, I got a wide assortment of prizes this time, and it wouldn't be possible if not for all the companies that have provided products to me that I've been able to showcase and use. They didn't specifically for this giveaway, and there's no changing of hands or anything like that with them or YouTube or nothing like that. None of it's sponsored, guys. These are just ones I've collected after I fulfilled my duties to the companies or whatever over time. I've just been kind of sitting, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give them back to you guys because y'all will get more use out of them than I will just having them sitting on display. And I want you guys to have a Whitley Auto Works paint gun that you've seen me use on the channel. So I just figured it'd be kind of cool. So hence we got the massive spray gun giveaway that we have going on. As far as entering, guys, here's the best part. It is free to enter. You go to my website, WHITLEYAutoWorks.com. There will be a link down below. You click that link, and I'll also have it in this video description. You can find it, and you can enter for free, guys. It's just your basic information, your email, your name, all that type of stuff, so I have a good way to get in contact with you if you win, and you're good to go. However, if you decide you want to purchase additional entries you can. It is an option as well. You can buy combo sticker packs, and each combo sticker pack you buy comes with a really cool 5-inch UV rated sticker. It's a Whitley AutoWorks sticker with a paint gun in the background, and you can put that on anything. Like I said, it's a 5-inch, so it's a good size one. And you get a random apparel pack. It could be eye candy, it could be something else, it could be color shift. You really don't know, so that's kind of the fun of it. And like I said, this all goes back into the giveaway and helping supporting the channel. Everything I use for this is going right back into the channel, so it's a win-win for both of us. And if you pick up a combo pack, I will greatly appreciate it. So there's two different ways you can do it. There's a free way to enter, and there's a way for additional entries. As far as what your odds are of winning, guys, it depends on how many people, you know, decide to join the giveaway. It could be 35,000 subscribers, it could be more, it could be less. You really don't know. So between entering the free way and picking up a combo pack, well, you have pretty good odds. And like I said, I'm not just giving away 1, 2, or 3 prizes. I've got all these different spray guns, so at least 10 to 12 on my last count of spray guns that I'm giving away in total. And then I'll probably give away some other stuff too. As far as winning goes, from the moment you see this video, we are officially live for 30 days with this giveaway. At the end of 30 days, I will let you guys know that the giveaway is officially ended. Everything shuts down. And then shortly after that, we'll pick a day to go live and we'll announce winners. I have a program that's going to randomly generate who wins and everything else. So I'll probably pick a day. We'll go live. We'll hang out. I'll bring some friends that you've seen like Josh on the channel. We'll answer some questions and help you guys out with your projects and just, you know, just like I said, hang out and go over everything. And then I'll randomly just pick prizes and start giving them away and naming people, and hopefully you'll be in the live and, you know, just have some fun with it, guys. That's pretty much what all this is about. But like I said, I got a full list of rules and guidelines and everything that's going to be on my WHITLEYAutoWorks.com page. So you'll have to follow them to win, guys. Unfortunately, certain things you have to be 18 to enter. You can't be younger than that. And if anybody is caught fudging the numbers, just putting your name on multiple different emails to try and win at random, and I catch anybody, then obviously you will be disqualified from the giveaway. I'm trying to keep this as fair as possible so everybody has an equal chance to win. And if you go to support the channel, obviously I appreciate that as well, and that'll help everything else along. But that's kind of where I'm at with it right now, guys. Like I said, you can see all the different prizes, and I'm really excited for this, and I hope you guys are too. I hope everybody will go and pick up some combo sticker packs. Like I said, I got 500 of them, and after that, I'm done with it, guys. And that's the entries, that's the odds, that's the little bit of everything. If you have any other questions about the giveaway, definitely drop them down in the comments, and I'll answer them any way I can. And if I missed anything, I'll try to make a follow-up video or something like that, because this is the first big giveaway I'm actually doing. So just bear with me, and we'll get through it and have some fun, and everybody will win some awesome prizes. And I got, like I said, I got spray guns ranging from $40 in value on 500, guys. So some really cool stuff, and I can't wait to give it back to you guys for saying thank you for watching Whitley AutoWorks. Already 35,000 plus subscribers, and I am extremely grateful, extremely blessed, and thankful to each and every one of you for watching. That's going to be it for this video. Like I said, if you have any questions at all about the giveaway moving forward, check out my WHITLEYAutoWorks.com giveaway page. Hopefully that will answer it, and you can answer, or you can ask down in the comments, guys. I'll answer any way I can. But as always, I'm John from Whitley AutoWorks, so I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and good luck with the giveaway.